Look at this, such a huge parking spot over here. There's a different section for exchanges and returns. अभी भी खाना खाया दाल बाटी और अभी ऐसे लगा कि वाह बस यहाँ पड़े रहो मज़ा आ रहा है. This is a huge self-service furniture area. So whatever furniture you like, you can just store, note down the rack number and the location number, and just figure out over here. Like for example, here the rack number is 1 and the location is 5. So you just have to collect your furniture and put it in your trolley. So the concept of the store is that you have to completely put together the furniture on your own. It is a completely dismantled piece which you can carry home, and then you have to put together the entire furniture.